Hello everyone, welcome back to Patel's Bro and Sister. Today I am going to show you Excel powerful functions that will save your time and boost your productivity. So let's dive in, right? We all copy and paste, but did you know you can do it even faster? Select any data, press Ctrl C to copy, click on the new cell, press Ctrl V to paste. You are thinking that's too simple, right? Well, watch this. Power move, paste special. Select the data, press Ctrl C to copy. Select on the new cell, click here. Wait. Don't press Ctrl V. Instead, press Ctrl Alt V. Boom. The paste special window appears. Now, let's unlock the real magic. Want to copy only the format? Choose formats. Click OK or press Ctrl Alt V. T for paste formats only. If you want to copy only the formula, then copy Ctrl C, then select the cell, press Ctrl Alt V F for paste formulas only. And that's how you use paste special to speed up your workflow and boost your productivity. This shortcuts is a game changer for cleaning up the Excel data. Let's move to next trick. Imagine this, you have a list of student marks. You need the total fast, but typing the sum formula? Nah, too slow. Want to add numbers instantly? Let's do this. Click below the column of numbers. Press Alt equal to and hit the enter. Boom! Excel instantly sums up the entire column. That's it? No typing formulas? Yes, no need to type some formula manually. Excel does it for you instantly. Oh, and guess what? It works for rows too. Just click to the right of your row and press Alt plus equal to. Super easy, right? Try this now and comment if you found this helpful. Want more shortcuts? Like and subscribe our channel. Now let's speed things up with the next shortcut. Excel user, stop wasting time. Want to work 10x faster? Here are Excel shortcuts that will change your life. Let's go. Messy data. Let's make it neat and interactive instantly. Select your data by pressing Ctrl A. Then press Ctrl T to form the table. Click OK. Boom! Your data is now a professional looking table with built-in sorting and filtering. Now, let's filter the finance department employees. Click the department column, drop it down, uncheck select all, and then check finance. Then click OK. Boom! Instantly, only finance employees are visible. Tired of slow, boring Excel work? Here are 3 shortcuts that will instantly boost your speed. 90% of the Excel user don't know these tricks. Are you one of them? Let's find it out. Want to master Excel in 60 seconds? Stick around it. These shortcuts will blow your mind. First, select the data. Ctrl A, then press Alt J T for design the table. Then second, press Alt J T S to change the table style, color and formatting. Third one, remove the data formatting or you can convert into the normal range. Select the table, Ctrl A, then press Ctrl Alt J T C. Try these shortcuts now and make your table look clean and professional. Like this. Thank you for watching. I will be dropping brand new Excel tutorials every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So hit that like, smash the subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Stay awesome and keep excelling. Hashtag Excel tutorial, hashtag Excel tips, hashtag Patel's Bro and Sister. Signing off.